In today's video, we are going to get some good quality pork. Pork is considered to be a very unhealthy meat. Some say that having a lot of pork may produce a lot of tapeworms in your gut. We're going to get that and we are going to cook it in our own spicy oriental sauce.
So it all starts here.
So what is up, you beautiful people out there? Hope you all are doing amazingly great. This is your Bong Baker and today I'm here with Arnav, a person with a great physique, and he himself is a fitness trainer, guys. And today somehow I have compelled him to come with me to have pork. Can you imagine? Being a fitness trainer, do you think it's fine to have pork once in a while?
Yeah, good. Actually, consistency যদি ধরে রাখা যায় তাহলে আমি সবাইকে বলতে চাই ডায়েট আর কনসিস্টেন্সি দুটোকে ফলো করতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, আমরা স্কিপ ডায়েট করি, জাস্ট লাইক আজকে আমরা স্কিপ ডায়েট করছি এবং আমাদের আজকে ডায়েটে পর্ক রয়েছে এবং আমরা পর্কের আইটেম নিচ্ছি এবং আমরা পর্ক মার্কেটিংয়ের জন্য এসেছি। আমার সাথে রয়েছে আমার স্টুডেন্ট কাম ফ্রেন্ড কাম প্রো, আর উনি একজন 5 স্টার রেটিং কুক। তো আজকে আমি একটু পরেই আমি ওয়েটিং করছি জাস্ট এই মুহূর্তের জন্য যেখানে ও আমাকে একটা টেস্টি ডিশ খাওয়াবে পর্কের সাথে।
We are at Joburg, a market which is famous for all kinds of meat. All kind of meat can be found in this market. The main USP of this market is that most of the people living here are from the labor background. So the market is mostly open during the night time. But we came in the morning to have some pork and we got some good quality pork from here. Number one, the market serves n number of meat starting from turkey, pork, chicken, lamb, anything, and there is a huge fish market here. Secondly, the cheap product that you get from here is also of good quality. So we've got the pork. We are going to cook this pork in a spicy gravy that will be in Oriental style.
So it starts by cutting some bell peppers, both yellow and green. We are going to cut it into triangles. Same, we have to do it with the onions. We have to chop some garlic. Next, slice the pork into moderately thick pieces. We are going to boil it in some good salted water. Once boiled, we are going to flavor it with some garlic and onion chives. Add some corn flour and refined flour. Deep fat fry at a very high temperature until the pork turns golden brown in color. Take it out and now we are going to start preparing the gravy, or rather the sauce. For this we are going to render some pork fat in a very hot pan. Take the fat out once it has rendered, and in this fat we are going to fry some chopped garlic, shallots, and add the bell peppers. Toss this at a very high flame. Add some red chili powder and some soy sauce. Add some water. And we are going to finish it with a sprinkling of MSG and corn flour slurry to make it thick. Once the consistency of the sauce reaches this stage, we are going to add the fried pork pieces back into the gravy. Coat it nicely and garnish it with some freshly chopped chives or scallion. There you have it, guys, the best ever chili pork. অল রাইট, সো হিয়ার আই হ্যাভ অর্ণবদা। আমি ফাইনালি জিম থেকে টেনে এনেছি অর্ণবদাকে আমার কিচেনে, আর আমি বলেছি এক্ষুনি টেস্ট করো, গরম গরম আছে, অ্যান্ড লেট মি নো হাউ ইজ ইট। সো হিয়ার হি ইজ উইথ দ্য প্লেট অফ পোর্ক।
টু গুড, খুশি হয়ে গেছি ভাই।